Hello there and welcome to Solids, Liquids and Gases Part 2. So before we begin, let's have a look and see what matter actually is. Matter is spelled M-A-T-T-E-R. So everything in the world is made up of matter. Matter is any substance that has mass, in other words weight, and takes up space, in other words takes up volume. So your desk is made of matter. Your table desk is made of matter. Your pencil is made of matter. And you are made of matter. So there are 5 states of matter that we need to know. You will learn about 3 of these in Key Stage 3 Science. So the 3 are solids, liquids, and gases. So solids, liquids, and gases are a form of matter. And matter is any substance that has mass, in other words, weight, and it also takes up space, in other words, volume. So let's have a look at the 3 different properties for solids, liquids, and gases. So first of all, let's start with the solids on the left-hand side. So solids always have a fixed shape. They cannot be squashed. They cannot flow like liquid. And particles cannot move, but they can vibrate on the spot. Let's say, for example, your mobile phone will probably vibrate and it's a solid. Properties of liquids, that's the middle image. So liquids do not have a fixed shape. They take the shape of the container they are in. So in a cup of glass, a cup or a glass, if you were to fill it up with water, the water will take the shape of that cup or that glass. Liquid cannot be squashed, it cannot be squeezed or compressed. And liquid can flow, so water flows. Let's have a look at gases, the last image on the right-hand side. So gases, there are no fixed shapes. They take the shape of the container. So if you were to put gas, maybe in a container, it will take the shape of a container, just like liquid can. Gas can be squashed and it can be compressed. And gas can also flow in the air. So gas can be compressed quite a lot actually, because we see a lot of gas that is shipped from the Middle East into Western countries like in the UK, and we import gas from, let's say, Qatar and the UAE in Saudi Arabia, and that gas is compressed into big ship containers to try and get as much gas in as possible for us to actually import the gas on a ship into the UK. So that's an example of compressing gas. Okay, so these are the main 3 properties that you need to know with regards to solids, liquids, and gases.